some point in the last little while, this tree had broke off and fell over and landed up against a couple trees. So now I've got to worry about getting that pushed down so it doesn't fall on somebody if they happen to be wandering through the area. The first cut wasn't overly successful. It fell over, but then it jammed itself up against another tree. So, back to the drawing board. Trying to cut this tree down that was holding the other one up gets kind of dangerous because these things are under pressure. When they do cut, they have a tendency to snap funny. And as you'll see in the next piece of video, it did in fact do that, snapped and broke off. Thankfully, I managed to get out of the way and let it do its thing. Something I found interesting here, this tree has fallen many years ago. As you can see, it's covered in moss and whatnot, and for all intents and purposes it appears to be dead. Everything there except for this trunk that's growing off the base. It's actually a foot off the ground, and it is growing because it is green at the top. Go on, little guy. Here's the results of the two trees that I cut down. As you can see, there's a fair amount of wood there. Not sure how much of it is salvageable based on how old some of the trees are, but we'll get what we can out of it.